How to apply for a credit card online for Capital One. In order to apply for a Capital One credit card online, you need to visit their website. So open up browser, type in Capital One, and you'll be taken to their official link. You could go and press onto the first link that pops up. Over here, you just want to scroll down and start looking for the credit card section. You could find it here. If you cannot find one, you could tap onto the menu bar and go to credit card section. So you have different type of credit card like credit card building, cashback reward, travel reward, all these. You could just go ahead and select credit card overview and start looking for the credit card that fits your need. So what you want to do is just go ahead and start looking for it, and if you want to apply, you simply want to press the apply now button and follow on the on-screen prompts like entering your information such as your legal name, social security number, all that stuff. And that's when you're going to successfully apply for a credit card online. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.